Hello everyone, I am Vikas and you are watching Bio Vikas X. Today we will revise all the major animal kingdom phyla including 49 important invertebrate examples and 54 vertebrate examples exactly as asked in NEET, CUT and other biology exam. Let's begin. Before we begin the examples, let's quickly recall all the major phyla of animal kingdom. They are Porifera, Coelenterata, Ctenophora, Platyhelminthes, Aschelminthes, Annelida, Arthropoda, Mollusca, Echinodermata, Hemichordata, Chordata. Now let's revise every important examples one by one. Let's begin with the first phylum Porifera. The important examples are Cycon, also known as Scypha, Spongilla, the freshwater sponge, and Euspongia, the bath sponge. Moving to our second phylum Coelenterata, also called Cnidaria. Important examples include Physalia, the Portuguese man of war, Adamsia, the sea anemone, Penatulla, the sea pen, Gorgonia, the sea fan, Mandrina, the brine coral, Aurelia, the jellyfish, Hydra, Ovelia, and corals. Next comes Ctenophora. The important examples are Pleurobrachia and Ctenoplana. Now let's move the Platyhelminthes, the flatworms. Important examples are Dugesia or Planaria, Tenia, the tapeworm, and Fascicola, the liver fork. The fifth phylum is Aschelminthes, also known as Nematoda. Examples include Ascaris, the roundworm, Eukarya, the filarial worm, and Encyclostoma, the hookworm. Next is Annelida. Important examples are Nereis, Fatima, the earthworm, and Herodonoria, the blood-sucking leech. Now come to the largest phylum of the animal kingdom, Arthropoda. Economically important insects: Apis, the honeybee, Bombyx, the silkworm, and Laccifer, the lake insect. Disease vector: Anopheles spreads malaria, Culex spreads elephantiasis, and Aedes spreads dengue. Gregarious pests: Locusta, the locust, living fossils, lemurs, the king crab. Other important examples: butterfly, scorpion, and prawn. Moving ahead to mollusca, the important examples are Pila, the apple snake, Pinctada, the pearl oyster, Sepia, the cuttlefish, Loligo, the squid, octopus, also called devilfish, Aplysia, the sea hare, Dentalium, the tusk shell, and Catiophilura, the chiton. Next comes Echinodermata. Important examples include Asterias, the starfish, Echinus, the sea urchin, Antedon, the sea lily, Cucumeria, the sea cucumber, and Aphura, the brittle star. Now let's revise Hemichordata. They are two important examples, Blanoglessus and Sacoglessus. Finally, we arrive at the most advanced phylum, Chordata. Chordata is divided into three subphyla, Urochordata, Cephalochordata, and Vertebrata. First up, Urochordata. The important examples are Sulfa, Acidia, and Doliolum. Second is Cephalochordata. The only important example is Branchiostoma, also known as Amphioxus or lanceolate. And third is Vertebrata. Now let's revise all the vertebrata classes. Agnatha. Cycloestomata includes Pteromyzon, the lamprey, and Myxine, the hagfish. Pisces divided into two parts, Condyothides and Osteothides. First up, Condyothides: Escolodon, dogfish, Pristis, sawfish, Carcharodon, great white shark, Trigon, stingray, and Torpedo, electric ray. And second is Osteothides: marine fishes, Exocetus, flying fish, Hippocampus, seahorse, freshwater fishes, Labia, rohu, Cutla, Claris, Magur, aquarium fishes, Betta, fighting fish, and Pterophyllum, anglefish. And next is Amphibia: Buffo, toad, Rana tigrina frog, Hyla tree frog, Salamander, and Ichthyofish. Reptilia: Chelone turtle, Testudo tortoise, Chameleon, Clytis, crocodile, alligator, Hemidactylus, poisonous snake, Naja cobra, Bangarus crate, and Vipera viper. And next is apes: Corvus crow, Columba pigeon, Psittacula parrot, Astritio ostrich, Pavo peacock, Aptenodytes penguin, and Napron vulture. And next is mammalia: oviparous mammals, Ornithorhynchus, duck biled platypus, viviparous mammals, Macropus, Pteropus, Camelus, Macaca, Rattus, Canis, Felis, Alphas, Equus, Delphinus, Balanoptera, Panthera tigris, and Panthera leo. That is a complete NCERT revision of all the major animal kingdom phyla along with their most important examples. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, leave a comment telling me which phylum you want next, and share this video with your friend preparing for NEET and other biology exam. Don't forget to subscribe to Bio Vikas X and press the bell icon so you never miss an important biology revision. Thanks for watching. Keep learning, keep growing, and I will see you in the next video.